Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. 4 players from Arsenal don't get England call up, so those players are very happy as Arsenal self they proud of them. I know say England plan to play match for Alzheimer's Society international match, and they will play that one against Switzerland, and at the same time they will play a friendly against Cote d'Ivoire, will be the Ivory Coast. So the players now Ben White, Aaron Ramsdale, Saka, and Emil Smith Rowe. So all these players they did very happy, and you know see themselves they don't play very well before Gareth Southgate self on scam them say these guys they inform because they help Arsenal do for one kind of winning streak. So I got add them to my team for this friendly. Well, but the hope say like this, that's why we take start. Maybe by the time that we don't do the World Cup final squad now, we're going to see Arsenal players because you know say Arsenal they're proud of their English core. So get a core of English players and a young players. Chekaran's the land holding day, and be 22 and 23. Jen Bukayo Saka 20 years, and Smith Rowe. All these guys are little boys now. And Benjamin White. So we are very happy for them and we are proud of them. Christopher Nkunku, when they play for RB Leipzig, don't get in first ever France call up. I know say many people they interested in this guy, and what make the news this significant to us be say as this guy don't get in France call up now, in price go skyrocket because the price will go up. So you know say Arsenal, Man U, Liverpool, everybody the reason the guy say they would like to sign him at the end of the summer. So we never know how much in price will come be now because you know say you know go be what he be before. Well, at the end of the summer all of us will find out. On my way from that, Arsenal and Manchester United don't send scouts to go watch Moussa Dembele where they play for Lyon, and as Lyon play Porto, so they send scouts go watch him. And our monitoring spirit today they call Foot Mercato, and they let us know this news. So you say Moussa Dembele the score goals plenty, just score like 10 goals in 20 something matches for Lyon. So we say the scamp the guys say okay, maybe we'll carry on for the end of the summer. You know, we want the plan to add them for our strikers short list. Well, what the watch as it go be. Gary Neville don't come outside for media setting for the pundit duty. So Baba can talk about Martinelli. Say Martinelli slaughter Trent Alexander-Arnold for the match where Arsenal play against Liverpool. Say even though say Arsenal lose, say Arsenal get many positives so they will take for that match. They were checking Martinelli, we want key a world-class Trent, as in if you just carry ball they run like this, Trent no go know what thing go do. Because Trent go they run, they go back. You don't know whether the guy they go left, I mean they go right, the guy go using quick feet, back. Move. Say Martinelli they play like Robert Pires. Say in short, he get Pires inside his body because the way they run at players, they dribble, then they go left and right. Now what Pires self they do when they for an Arsenal prime. So this one are good news. Now accolades be for our player, and we self will not say the guy said they play well. Surprise, Barcelona don't step away from Ruben Neves deal, and what make them run away because the price we Wolves they call for the guy it did too much. They don't get that kind of 35-40 million pounds to go invest for a Ruben Neves when they go fit get more cheaper options elsewhere. So they don't jackpot say more, they don't do again. So it don't leave Manchester United and Arsenal for the deal. And you say Arsenal say really sure for me now Arsenal go buy and last because Arsenal really need them, and the guy said if you using tongue council states he will know say Arsenal dey for the ascending order. So if you see the way Arsenal they play, now im best choice making go join Arsenal, grow with the team again because this Arsenal next season go what. At the same time, Barcelona don't slap 16.7 million pounds on Sergio Dest. Say anybody who wants sign this guy, now the cost where you go be that. So after self the reason the guy say they would like to carry and come Emirates. So I never know whether they go pay the money. The money not too much, that's 16 million pounds, not too cost. So they go fit carry the guy, come here, make come join our contingency, come help us prepare for next season. About Cedric Suarez self don't get in Portuguese call up to show the performances when they play. Say no be fluke, say the guy they play very well. See their coach self, they reason them, they scamp them, they can't choose them. They can't fly, go the Portugal, go join them after the weekend games because international friendlies day and some kind of international matches day. So well, we wish them all the best of luck. It shows say the match when they play those things, when they play those good performances, when they display for us in the absence of our strong Tomiyasu, say you know go unnoticed. Say their coaching hierarchy for Portugal, they scamp them and they see them and they call them. On my way from that, Falani Balogun wey dey on loan from Middlesbrough don come outside come dey talk say almost saying they enjoy every step of the way of this in loan. So you get many things wey dey for men's football wey no dey aware of, wey no know of. So na still come here na call the see things because you know say the guy dey play with under 23 now, so you know dey play real football now. No real tackles, no nothing to play for. But now every time they play for Middlesbrough, say they get many things at stake. You get promotion to EPL dey there, you get demotion sef from that championship dey there also. So many things dey at stake. You have to play and fight for your salary. And Chris Wilder sef get confidence and faith in the guy. Come bring am from Arsenal, say okay, come and play for me. And the guy sef dey repay the faith because they give assists, they score goals, they enjoy him stay for there. Come on, the guy dey very happy, and they thank Arteta for sending him out on loan. And this is his first ever loan away from Arsenal, and the guy saying they enjoy him every step of the way. At the same time, Jamie Carragher don come outside for pundit duty come dey talk say almost say despite wetin Arsenal play against Liverpool, say Arsenal na still the favourites to end for top 4 because when you check this top 4 race, you go see say Arsenal dey compete against the likes of Manchester United, Tottenham Hotspur and West Ham. And for him say he no see these people above Arsenal, say Arsenal dey better than them, Arsenal get better fixtures. And for him say Liverpool beat Arsenal no be new thing, no be big thing, because Liverpool na on the team wey be say dem dey on another level. You get, they can beat anybody, you get. So no be that one we go take do Arsenal yardstick say okay, and then lose against Liverpool now I'm saying no good again, so not that. Then they see Arsenal still staying in that top 4 and ending in top 4 against all odds. West Ham don come outside say dem dey ready to offer Lacazette a new deal at the end of the summer if im contract don expire for Arsenal. That's if Arsenal no give am any contract extension and in second reason say okay, he wan move out. But if he talk say he wan still remain for EPL, say dem ready, they would like to bring am make come partner Antonio. You get that Mikel Antonio, so like go dey give Antonio assist, or those Lanzini dem dey give their assist, Susek dem, you get Bowen, you get. So I never know how Lacazette go see this one, because I wan be say once the season don end, back contract don't officially expire unless Arsenal come deem and fit say okay, we will give you a new deal. Then till then, we'll see as we sup. On Spotify, through the CEO wey they call Daniel Ek, don confirm say they don't get deal of £235 million with Barcelona, and this deal na the naming rights. They will name the stadium. Let's say ask Barcelona naming stadium now na Camp Nou. Then they will rename it to Spotify Camp Nou or Camp Nou Spotify, and they want to know how they want to do them. And not just the naming right of the stadium, they get shared sponsorship deals, so they want to do with Barcelona. Now what you want to give Barcelona money where they go take buy players at the end of the summer. And this deal where they carry give Barcelona, and Arsenal be the first refusal. The first can come give Arsenal say okay, maybe they rename Arsenal, maybe Spotify Emirates Stadium. Arsenal no agree, and this deal for inject £235 million into Arsenal. Arsenal say they no want, and one of the things they no want a Trojan horse. You know, say now this same Daniel Ek, now talk say won't buy Arsenal. They say they no want sell. Now make the guy no go use naming right and shared sponsorship when they enter them. You get, if you carry naming right enter, before you know, don't change Arsenal to Spotify Emirates Stadium. Before you know now, talk of buying the club when they enter. Before you know now, they don't get choice, they will sell them. So they don't want all those kind of Trojan horse when the Greeks they use go fight their enemies. So now they say they don't want, they don't carry and go Barcelona. Barcelona don't accept. So wish them all the best of luck. Garelini Kasef don come aside for pundit duty. You come to talk say, see this Martinelli waiting for Arsenal. Say this guy will be a world class player in the future. Say the guy na world class talent. Sure. Almost if you see the way the guy they play, almost say the guy they get joy. I don't believe him. The guy they give me joy too. Because me I don't know about you. The guy they play very well with his direct running. The guy just need more experience because I'm still small in B. He still need more experience. And what he really need now, a proven direct winger when they bust net week in week, or somebody in the nature of maybe Mane or Salah or Ruben or Luis Diaz or Mahrez. People get quick feet, people feel they play ahead of the pecking order, so they show him the way. Say okay, now like this, because the guy no get anybody they show him say okay, this is how to do it. Because when you do all the direct run and do everything, at the end of the day, if you are not giving assists or you are not scoring goals, nobody will remember all these things you are doing. So you need to add goals and you need to add assists to your gameplay so that people will remember your name. Just the same way Emile Smith Rowe take transform. Formerly was just doing assists, a pocket of assists here and there, but now if you say don't they add goals, come the highest goal scorer in Arsenal, people will always remember his name. They will always talk about him, say this guy is a good player, he's scoring, he's making assists, he's playing very well. That is what we want. So now what Martinelli will they aspire So away from that, you get one statistics where they come out online where they talk say Arsenal need at least 6 games to win out of their last 11 games. You say as is day now, Arsenal need 51 points and they still get 11 games to go. So for that 11 games, they say Arsenal just need like 6 wins. So Arsenal need at least 69 points. Now let's not transfer market now do that statistics. They just do this simulation, see where teams go end at the end of the season. They say Arsenal need just 69 points to enter that top 4 to take them as their own, which means for the last 11 games we need just to win 6 games, and it's possible because I don't check the list. We get Aston Villa, Leicester, Southampton, Everton, some kind of small team. There plenty there will be supposed to knock them back, but on a good day, no be their mates. Get all things being equal, supposed to knock them. So leave all those Spurs, Man U, Chelsea, all those ones. Anything can happen for those ones, but you see all those smally, kill them. We will jam them, kill them. Then all those big ones, if we meet them, we'll go fight the battle of Muzanga. Anything will happen, may happen. So that's what it just be. On my way from that, Arsenal now submit offer to Barcelona for Araujo, Ronald Araujo, na their centre back. They pair with Piqué, and the guy at 23 years old. In contract will expire next season 2023. The guy never agree an extension with Barcelona. Let's say the guy they find greener pastures and never know. But Arsenal and Manchester United don't send offer go give the guy say okay, we'll see what we want to do for you. Now man, you give him big money like £8 million say per year, and now you make after tax. Arsenal offer him 6 million. So they just give them their proposal and their offer. Shall make him go through them. You get they if they interested to come join us, but we never know how it goes solve. Barcelona themselves they try to persuade them because they want make him remain for Camp Nou. And they say we get plenty centre backs already. We'll just add this one because next season we play on all fronts. You get really challenge better. We want to sign more players. And so Europe, if we want to go Europe, we need more legs. So any Ibisha at the end of the summer, we'll let you know. Danny Murphy self don't come outside. I call the talk say say Arsenal are favourite for top 4. Make nobody go deceive anybody. But waiting they see, we say in they see Tottenham Hotspur still leapfrogging Arsenal for that top 4. Say they go sneak in. You get they go sneak in through the back door. And the team will go make them sneak in. We say they get Antonio Conte will be a serial winner. He knows how to win. He knows how to make things happen. And at the same time, they can get Harry Kane where they break different scoring records. You get Harry Kane don't be the top leading away goal scorer for EPL. And don't get the most away goal as a striker. And we Rooney get that record before he can't break and he gets. So the guy breaking records left, right, and center. So they see them leapfrogging Arsenal. Well, other one talk is cheap, sha. You get no being go come play and more the watch as everything go turn out. I get another news where they bust my brain for Serie A and about Tammy Abraham. You don't go believe say this season, this maiden season for Tammy Abraham for Roma, Baba don score 21 goals in no competition. You don't go believe. So when they see this kind of news, upon they regret say, you get when Arsenal sign this nigga, they won't collect them, fans they para. You know, I thought maybe he can't change his mind, but the coach didn't say, they don't really need that. The guys are very lanky. They score good. See yesterday match now, Roma Vitesse. They just score 91 minutes go, stadium scatter. What's the match now? They play very well. They boss net to get this guy. Don't go to suffer all this way, they suffer now. At least we'll get somebody there. But that time we not know. Another thing we say that time, might just cut Ateta some slack. Ateta don't know say Aubameyang go find square root. You don't know say Lacazette no go the boss net as in they play so. And you know say in case yourself we no go play well. So because the reason say okay we'll get Aubameyang, we'll get Lacazette to get Nketiah. Say if this guy come now, where he go come play? So we need to create space for him. So before you know, Roma don't collect him. Well, that happen. Say that happen. My monitoring spirit wey they call Calcio Mercato come outside. They let us know say Arsenal they plan to revitalize their deal with Awa. You get say they won't go back for Awa. This one bust my brain. It make me happy as I hear the news. Say Arsenal they go back for Awa. And you know say Lyon now they would like to sell the guy because the guy contract they expire 2023. That's next season. And the guy don't agree a contract extension because no say investment don't come out for Lyon. As so the pay come out. The guy never gets himself. So now the plan say okay, any offer will come, they go fit sell him. And Arsenal said they really say okay, we are going back for you at the end of the summer. Well, if it's possible, if they go back for it go sweet me gone because Awa, senior man Awa. Well, that's the end of the summer now. So if you know what your updates yesterday, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the updates. Click and make get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. Yesterday update and today update no be the same. So click and make it watch them. It's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of the day. Now game out.